Be patient. Sometimes God make us wait longer because blessing is bigger. If you trust God's timing, Amen. What's hurting you is teaching you. Don't run from it. Learn from it. I hope December surprises me with something good. Smile always. Your smile makes you glow in any weather. Never lose that beautiful glow. It makes you shine. Always make decisions that prioritize your inner peace. Life is full of sudden goodbyes. Time will tell you who cares. Moon know the untold stories. You ignore, I wait. I ignore, you hate. Be a good person in real life, not on social media. Make a promise to yourself that no matter how challenging the journey may be, you will never surrender your dreams. When you trust the magician inside you, magic happens. Love is perfect when it's true. Understanding is an art, and not everyone is an artist. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Exit where you don't exist. Don't offer a lecture to a person who needs a hug. Art is to console those who are broken by life. Speak less, listen more, react less, observe more. Be private, Bible on, grow in silence. Time brings everything that belongs to you. The moon is always full even when we can't see it. Peace is not the absence of noise, but the presence of understanding. I keep my personal life quiet, so don't think you know me. You only know what I allow you to. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Ask and it will be given to you. The greatest lesson I have learned in life is that I still have a lot to learn. Situation, time, people teach better lesson than a book. Wear gratitude like a cloth and it will feed every corner of your life. When this line is straight, everyone will suddenly love you. Sometimes our lives have to be completely shaken up, changed, and rearranged to recollect us to the place we are meant to be. Losing someone who doesn't respect or appreciate you is actually a gain, not a loss. Don't change yourself so the other people will like you. Be yourself so the right people will love you. Priority. If someone is really into you and you don't have to keep begging them for a text, call, or to spend time, they will do it. If you are a priority, always remember that. Focus on progress first and perfection later. You are gonna piss a lot of people off when you start doing what's best for you. Never regret a day in your life. Good days give happiness, bad days give experience, worst days give lessons, and best days give memories. Sometimes you have to accept the fact that certain things will never go back to how they used to be. Life goes on. You don't meet people by accident. There's always a reason, a lesson, or a blessing. No matter how badly someone treats you, never drop down to their level. Remain calm, stay strong, and walk away. Trust your hard work, it's unlocking doors you can't see yet. Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence. Face your future without fear. Don't look back with regret. Look forward with hope. I believe in myself, not in your opinions. When the past comes knocking, don't answer. It has nothing new to tell you. For nothing will be impossible with God. Never underestimate the power of prayer. One small prayer can change your life dramatically. Just pray and everything will be fine in God's will. Never think that those lovingly planted seeds of truth that you planted in your children's hearts were wasted. Some seeds take a little longer to grow. Never give up hope. Money is going to start falling into your life like rain. Today is a period of struggle. Tomorrow will be the period of success. Time decides who you meet in your life. Heart decides who you want in your life. Behavior decides who will stay in your life. If it costs you your peace, it is too expensive. No one is perfect, not me, not you, not them. If you want to live a peaceful life, accept yourself for who you are and respect others for who they are. Sometimes I want to treat people how they treat me, but I can't because that's not my character. Your direction is more important than your speed. I am a very observant person, so if you think I don't notice, I did. I just decided to keep quiet and avoid drama. In the end, we all just want someone that chooses us over everyone else under any circumstances. Don't expect to get what you give. Not everyone has a heart like you. It's your road and you are alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. Don't trust anyone. Life is full of fake people. Very soon, you will smile and forget your sad moments because God is about to change your story. If you believe, Amen. I forgive people, but that doesn't mean I accept their behavior or trust them. I forgive them for me so I can let go and move on with my life. Your progress does not need to be seen or validated by other people. A good relation says, I will be with you in all your troubles. But the best relation says, you will never have troubles when I am with you. The truth is still the truth, even if no one believes it. A lie is still a lie, even if everyone believes it. I am waiting for the day when I am able to say I made it. God said, ask the Lord to bless your plans and you will be successful in carrying them out. Memories are beautiful as well as painful. If you liked my video, click to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.